Hello everyone. So here we will solve the 4, the exercise 1, the chapter Trigonometric Identities. So in the question number 4 has been told that prove that to prove that 1 minus cos square theta cos square a into cosec square a, that is equal to 1. So now we have to start from the left hand side. So left hand side is given as 1 minus cos square a into cosec square a. So here that will be 1 minus cos square a into cosec square a, I can write as 1 by sin square a, and that we can multiply with both of these. So this will be 1 by sin square a minus cos square a by sin square a. So now you can write 1 minus cos square a divided by sin square a. Now we know that sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. So 1 minus cos square a will be same as sin square a only. So this will be the numerator is sin square a and the denominator is also sin square a. So they will get cancelled and that will be equal to 1. It is equal to the right hand side. So we have proved that the left hand side equal to the right hand side. So hence we have proved. And in the second question, we have to prove that 1 plus cot square a 1 plus cot square a into sin square a, that is equal to 1. This we have to prove. So we have to start from the left hand side. So left hand side has been told that 1 plus cot square a into sin square a. Now we know that 1 plus cot square a is nothing but cosec square a. 1 plus cot square a is equal to cosec square a. So you can write it as cosec square a into sin square a. So now this cosec square a is equal to 1 by sin square a into sin square a. So they will both get cancelled and that will be equal to 1, which is equal to the right hand side. So we have proved that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So hence it is proved. Then in the third part has been asked to prove that 1 minus sin square theta into secant square theta, that is equal to 1. So this we have to prove. So therefore the left hand side is 1 minus sin square theta. So we know that 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta only. Since you know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. 1 minus sin square theta, that is cos square theta, into sec square theta, I can write as 1 by cos square theta. The cos square theta into 1 by cos square theta, so then we get cancelled and that is equal to 1. So okay, first we should write what is given in the left hand side, then we can write. So the left hand side is 1 minus sin square theta into secant square theta. So this 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta, so cos square theta into sec square theta. That is equal to cos square theta into sec square theta is 1 by cos square theta, which is equal to 1. Since cos square theta and cos square theta will get cancelled. So this is equal to the right hand side. So hence proved. Then in the fourth part, it has been told that we have to prove that 1 plus tan square theta, that is into cos square theta, it is equal to 1. So we have to show that the left hand side equal to the right hand side. So left hand side is given as 1 plus tan square theta into cos square theta, that is equal to 1. So left hand side is this 1 plus tan square theta into cos square theta. Now we know that 1 plus tan square theta, 1 plus tan square theta, we know that is equal to sec square theta. So this will be sec square theta into cos square theta. Now that is sec square theta is 1 by cos square theta into cos square theta. So cos square theta and cos square theta will get cancelled, and that is equal to 1, which is equal to the right hand side. So hence proof. Then in the fifth part, has been told to prove that sin square theta plus 1 by 1 plus tan square theta, that is equal to 1. Now here the left hand side is given as sin square theta plus 1 by 1 plus tan square theta. So this is equal to sin square theta plus 1 by, now 1 plus tan square theta, we know that is sec square theta. So this is 1 by sec square theta. Now 1 by sec square theta is equal to cos square theta. So this is equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, which we know it, which is equal to the right hand side. So hence proof. Then it has been told that the sixth part has been told that we have to prove that cot square theta minus 1 by sin square theta, that is equal to 1, that is equal to minus 1. So now I can write cot square theta as cos square theta by sin square theta, which is the left hand side. So first we have to write the left hand side. So left hand side is given as cot square theta minus 1 by sin square theta. Now cot square theta we can write it as cos square theta by sin square theta minus 1 by sin square theta. So this will be equal to cos square theta minus 1 by sin square theta. Now we know that 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. So it means cos square theta minus 1 will be equal to minus sin square theta. So this is minus sin square theta divided by sin square theta. So sin square theta will get cancelled. That is equal to minus 1, which is equal to the right hand side. Hence it is proved. Since we have proved that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Then in the seventh part, we have been told that hence we have to prove that tan square theta minus 1 by cos square theta, that is equal to minus 1. Minus 1. Now we have to start from the left hand side. Left hand side has been told that tan square theta minus 1 by cos square theta. Okay, so this will be tan square theta. So tan square theta we can write as sin square theta by cos square theta. Sin square theta by cos square theta minus 1 by cos square theta. So this will be, if you take the LCM is cos square theta. This will be sin square theta minus 1. Now we know that 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. Since sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So sin square theta minus 1, that will be minus cos square theta. So minus cos square theta by cos square theta. Cos square theta will get cancelled. So this is equal to minus 1, which is equal to the right hand side. So hence proof. Then in the eighth part has been told that you have to show that tan square theta into cos square theta, that is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So now, therefore, the left hand side is given as tan square theta into cos square theta. So tan square theta we can write as sin square theta by cos square theta into cos square theta. So then cos square theta will get cancelled, we will get sin square theta. And sin square theta can be also written as 1 minus cos cos square theta, since sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So which is equal to the right hand side. So hence proof. Or we can solve it in this way also. We can also separately write the right hand side, that is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, and we can write that this is also equal to sin square theta, and then we can say that since left hand side is also equal to sin square theta and right hand side is also equal to sin square theta, hence I will write that left hand side is equal to the right hand side, hence true. So like this also you can solve. Then in the ninth part, it has been told that you have to prove that 1 minus cos square a into 1 plus cot square a, that is equal to 1. So in the left hand side, it has been told that 1 minus cos square a into 1 plus cot square a. Now 1 minus cos square a, that is equal to sin square a, as you know, and into 1 plus cot square a, that is equal to cosec square a, which is according to the trigonometric identities which has been told in the class. Then this is sin square a into cosec square a, that is 1 by sin square a. So sin square a will get cancelled, which is equal to 1, which is equal to the right hand side. Hence proof. So hope all of you understood the solutions of all these 9 subparts of this question number 4. So still any doubts if you have, please write that in the comments. Thank you.